Okay guys, what is today? Today is Tuesday, April 20th. And they're calling for crazy weather. It's supposed to start raining here in a couple hours, and then it's supposed to snow. The first thing said 2 to 5 inches, and then something else said 5 to 8 inches of snow overnight. So I don't know. We don't know. But tomorrow morning, you have to be at the doctor at 8 o'clock in the morning. We have to go back to the Orthopedic Institute, and they're going to take your splint off and check your arm and see if it's all better, I think it is, And
it's going to be off forever?
I think so. If his arm's all better, yeah, then they'll get to leave it off. Yay! What are you doing? He was hanging from the bar on the swing set the other day, so I'm pretty sure his arms are, but his arm's still bent, so I don't know what his arm's going to do when he's straightened it. You want to come say hi? Look, Jax ran through his blocks to go see the garbage truck dump the trash can. It's okay, just walk through real careful. Walk through very carefully. Do you see yourself on there? What's the matter?
I need to hold so I can walk faster.
Show him your finger. Show him how your finger's getting so much better. Oh, here, let's put it this way. Let's see here. Hold on. Alright, if I do it. There we go. There, it's trying to focus. So it's a little bit purple. The doctor said the nail will just have to keep growing until it grows out all the way.
It's gonna hold just a little bit.
But look, it doesn't. I know. It looks great.
Oh.
Huh, it looks great. Well, you can't hear that. So what did you just have for lunch? What did you want for lunch?
Hot dog bun.
Hot dog on a bun. And what else? You wanted oranges?
A hot dog.
You had a hot dog and oranges and some tomatoes?
Tomatoes and cheese.
Oh yeah, and cheese. Huh. They're all done eating, and now it's about time for a nap, and then we'll go get Adri, and then she'll come home, and she'll pack up a bag, because she has to sleep at Nana's house tonight, so Nana can take her to school.
I'm going to go with you.
You're going to go with me? Yeah, because Jax has to be at the doctor. Yeah. Jax has to be there at 8 in the morning, and Adri's school doesn't start till 8:30. Hi,
No.
What?
The
You scratched your eye in your sleep somehow right here.
I crashed it on the road on the side.
Oh, yeah. It's okay. Let him have it. Let him have it so you don't break it. Hey.
I'm gonna go get another one.
We're gonna go night-night. It's time to change diapers and pull-ups and go night-night, huh? And then we'll go get Adri. Like I said, Adri's school starts at 8:30. Jax has an appointment. He has to be there at 8. So Adri's gonna... Careful, don't break his thing, Allie. So Adri's gonna spend the night with my mom so she can take her to school. But Adri's hoping for a snow day. So who knows? I'll keep you posted on the weather and see if we get this 5 to 8 or 2 to 5 or nothing or... Jackson, Allie had it. Yeah, it's definitely time for naps. Nobody wants to share. Nobody wants to share.
Yeah.
Everybody just wants to fight over everything. Why don't we pick up the blocks before nap? No? There's Jaxie's circus tip. Well, Jax, why don't you put them back in the bucket that they go in? It's all your blocks from Grandpa Randy. Put them back in the big bucket. Really? That is not putting them back in the bucket. That's not putting them back in the bucket, you turkey. That's laying in them. Okay, I'm gonna get them changed and get them down for naps. Alexa, what time is it? 12:27. Okay, yeah, let's get them in naps. Look at his little tit and his little drum set. Put that in there too. You're rotten. Alright, nap time! My favorite part of the day! Yeah! Sing it again. Play it again for me. Keep going. Okay, it's Wednesday. Wednesday, April 21st. And this is what happened last night. So much snow. Crazy.
Snow.
It is crazy snow, huh? What are we getting ready to do?
Take Jackson to the doctor.
Yeah, we gotta take Jaxie to the doctor to have his arm checked. Alright, go eat your muffins, okay?
What's this stuff by Ellie?
Oh, here, I'll help you. It's 7:02. Jay came over last night so he can take us since I have to take Ellie and Jax. So I forgot to vlog last night. So here he is. Look at all the snow outside. I know, look at all that snow out there. Huh? Oh, Alexa, play Adley Princess videos on YouTube.
Searching YouTube.
There you go. Okay, eat your muffins, okay? Okay. So at night I pick up all JAX'S stuff. Like that's his new drums, his new train set, his new blocks. That's blocks. His tool set, Dr. Kit. It's all from his birthday. His new hat, his backpack, his little sink, his little ride-on car. Here's circus set. Here's pick everything up at night so that we can walk through here. Adbug, eat your muffins, okay? What? Eat your muffins. So yeah, I need to get Jax up. Oh my gosh, look at the arms of the chair. Got my chairs out here from the other day. That's so funny. I wonder how many inches we got. There's quite a few out there. So funny. April 21st, and we got a big old snowstorm. Oh, my neighbor's tree. She didn't get to cover it. Alright, I gotta get kids up and right. Look at my flowers down there. It's like smashed. So strange. He's sleeping so good. Look, this is how I sleep. My decorator pillows just lay on that side of the bed. You can't even tell anybody I slept here, like other than the blankets, but like, I don't move in my sleep. Jaxie Boo, good morning. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. My top light, it's weird. Last week, my light bulb burned out. So I put a new one in, and then the very next day it burned out again. Here, get some light in here. Look, you see all this swing set. The very next day it burned out again. So I messaged my stepdad, hi, good morning. Yeah, it's okay. That's my pillows. So I messaged my stepdad to make sure I could put a light bulb in. I'm like, something's going on. Because then yesterday I came home from taking the kids to school and I turned my light on and my light blew again. So he came over. So I said, I have one light bulb. Okay, hang on. And he said he had LEDs. I said, well, I have one light bulb. So he came over and brought me some LED white bulbs. And oh my gosh, it is so bright. I'll have to show you later because it will blind him. Hey, you, good morning. Look at yourself. Look, who's that boy? Okay. Okay, buddy. We're going to go to the doctor?
No.
Yeah, so he can check your arm. I know he's going to take this off. Look, we got icing on. He's going to take that off and check your arm and see if we're all done with it, huh?
Yeah.
Yep, the doctor's going to take that off, yeah, and see if your arm's all better. Okay, I'll get you. Good morning! Okay, this is our struggle with this big old thing, huh? I'm going to try and get it off of your arm. It's okay. It doesn't hurt, you silly. Sometimes I think he whimpers just because he had a boo-boo, not because it still hurts. Oh, he's okay. Allie, he's okay. It's just super tight on his arm. It's okay. It's just your jammies. Yep, I'm trying to get it off of you, okay?
It's just two jammies, Jaxie.
Allie, you're stepping on a diaper, honey. Can you watch what you're doing? Ugh. Hopefully we don't have to do this anymore, huh? Oh, buddy. Can you help me out here?
Hold on.
I'm showing our struggle with this thing. I just don't want to pull
Here,
on his
pull it.
arm.
I
Oh
do
no,
it.
don't pull his arm. Don't squeeze his arm. You make his arm hurt a bit. Should I just cut it?
No, we got it. Once we get it down past the bend, it comes off pretty easy.
The other one that he was wearing came off a lot easier. There, we got that off. Okay, let's get a t-shirt on. It's like 20-some degrees. Oh, I know, you're so big. Here. So then we gotta put your arm in your sleeve first. Huh. And then we put your head in. And then, wait, that's your neck. And then your other arm. There you go.
Jessie,
Let's see, look at you, tiny and mighty. Oh, yeah, Allie, you look great. Should I try and put a long sleeve shirt on? It's freezing, so I'm just gonna cut the cuff off of here. So he can have a long sleeve shirt. This is an older shirt anyways.
He can wear that old shirt. Hey, he has a blue pacifier and a blue jacket.
Yeah, this is just a shirt, a long sleeve shirt, so he's not freezing. Are you watching yourself? So I just cut this, I did the other day. I just cut a slit down the arm. Come here. Why does your belly hurt?
Because I ate too much food.
Put your arm first. We gotta put your arm in first. Nope, other arm. This one, buddy. I just didn't want to cut up any of his jammies. It's okay. Mommy cut this one so it goes easier, okay? There you go. I just didn't want to cut any of your good jammies. Okay, head. Nope, your head. I know, buddy. What a struggle. Ah, what a struggle to get dressed and undressed. There you go. Oh, there's a big truck on there.
Let's go home.
We'll take your muffins in the car. Okay, Alexa, home. There we go. There we go. Hopefully we're all done, huh?
Hope you're all done. Oh,
Hopefully we're all done with this big old thing. Whoa. All right, I need to fix your hair. She's got her snow boots on. I need to do something with myself quick because we have to leave here in a few minutes.
yeah, you have to put makeup.
Nope, I don't have time for makeup today because we have to go. Our April weather. So much for April showers, bring May flowers. April snow, look at it's insane. It's so pretty, but
It's heavy.
because we just saw a tree down the road.
Mommy,
What, honey?
I see snow out my window.
You see snow out your window?
I got some snow and flew in my mouth.
Ew, you got some snow from the floor and it's in your mouth? What are we doing, Allie Buggers?
Take that to duck.
Take this off, bud.
Now I'm gonna wrap it in, and we're gonna take it off and check it
It's
out.
what the inside
Yeah.
of the looks like.
They're gonna unwrap it and check his arm. Yeah.
Oh,
He's using it pretty well.
He was hanging from the swing set. That's going to tip over. Oh, you were hanging, but he hasn't straightened it. That's what I'm worried about. If he straightens it, is it going to hurt after being bent for so long?
I could sit up here with Jesse with his team. Jesse, that's a piece of paper you can make you cool.
Hey, Allie, set your hand up here. I want to see your finger. It's looking so good. I'm just looking to see if that's your nail. Oh, it might be.
Don't put it.
It's okay. I was just feeling to see if that's your nail or your cuticle. It's doing great. What are you doing over there? Allie, easy. Allie, thank you for catching him. Jackson, get off the floor, buddy.
Get off the floor.
There's my helper right there. Watching him, letting him lay on the floor. Allie, let him sit up there. Okay.
I see my here.
Jay, can you help him up there, please?
No!
Jackson, you can both sit there. Okay, Jackson, you can both sit there.
Here, look, buddy. You can sit too.
Now his blanket's on the floor. He just dropped his blanket. What are you doing down there? You know how dirty that floor is? I hear a noise. Is that the doctor coming in? You better get up. You better get up. Yeah, you don't want to be on the floor. Do you want to sit up here, Jaxie? Do you want to come up here? I'll help you. It's okay. It's okay, Jax. The doctor's... It's okay, honey. Can you be gentle, though?
Yeah, I am. Look, buddy, we're taking it
Buddy,
off.
it's okay. Your boo-boo's all better. Look, he's just nervous. Look at him. Say, go slow, Dad. I'm nervous. It's okay. You look like a mummy. Buddy, it's okay, honey. I think your arm's better. Jax, it's okay. Look, it's straight. You straightened your arm out.
Here we go.
Lucky. It's okay. As I said, he might just think that it's her because of it. Oh, buddy.
It's okay. Lucky.
Look. Hey, you're okay.
Yay, no more cats.
Oh.
Come on, let me see. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. Here, let me see. Let me see.
He's still holding.
Look, you have a fuzzy still on there. Looky, can you drink your juice now? There, use your hands. Use your hands. Can you do it? Oh, buddy, look.
Yay. Yeah, look at
Let me see. Can you wave? Can you put your arm straight? Show me how you take a drink like a big boy with both hands. Show me. Use it. Oh, big boy. Look, buddy. Looky. It's all better. Yeah. Allie, stop, honey.
All
All
right.
right. Yeah, we did.
Was any complaints when he was in the splint?
It is a piece of fuzzy on his
No, he'd have working places.
Right there? Can you do that? Can you
I
move it?
think it might just be he might think it still hurt. He was hanging from the bar on the swing set 2 days ago on his birthday. Look,
Yeah.
buddy.
Oh, it's a piece of fuzzy
It's
on
okay.
his
It's okay. It's just a fuzzy.
Want it?
There. It's his. Buddy, it's all better. So he hasn't complained or cried at all.
Good.
Jaxie, is it all better?
He may be a little bit stiff. I'm going to get an x-ray of his elbow just to make sure.
No.
Hey, you did snow. Yep. Can you go sit beside Dad?
And then we'll check him back as soon as he gets it. All right, she'll be right in to get him.
Okay.
Yep.
Yes.
Yay, buddy.
Maybe he's gonna get a toy.
Yay, big
You'll get a
boy.
picture.
Will you take him this time?
You won't.
Whatever.
Bye.
Bye. They're gonna take a picture of your arm again, like last time. Let me see. Oh, buddy, look, it's all better.
Oh.
It's okay.
Stop.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh.
Oh, you're okay.
He wants the doctor.
Okay, looky there.
Doctor's gonna come in and take a
You're
picture.
gonna take a picture.
You do not cry.
Big boy. Can you put your arm up? Can you make a muscle? Make a big muscle?
Do this, Jaxie.
You can use your. Oh, look, buddy.
Oh.
Do it again. Show me your big muscles. Arr.
Oh.
Big boy, look, it's all better, buddy. I know, it's all better. Big stuff.
I'm super do this.
Here, show me.
Oh.
Oh, well, do it again. Show Daddy. Show Dad. Do it again. Look at yourself. Watch yourself. Do it again. I know, you're so cute. Big stuff. You're so cute. You're so strong. You are so strong. You're okay. Yeah. Oh, you want to see yourself? Allie, show me your big muscles.
My big muscles is too curly.
Wow. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. We don't need it anymore.
Now your coat will fit.
Wow, buddy.
This is good.
He's using it. Huh. They're going to take an x-ray of his elbow just to make sure.
You can walk.
Wow, buddy, you can use both hands.
Walk in a different room
Yeah.
and take a picture.
Yeah, take a picture of it. I think he might probably even just favor it just out of habit. Yep, is there feet up there? Stinky toes?
Legs. There's Stinky's toe. I see my toes down.
You can use both hands. Allie, please get in your chair, okay? You're fine, just please sit down.
Oh my.
You have your snow boots on. Go ahead. All right, Jaxie has his snow boots on so he can walk in. Jax, you want to walk in the snow?
Walk in the snow in the grass.
Do you want to walk in it? Here. Careful.
Walk in it. Walk in it. Walk.
Go ahead. Careful so you don't fall.
Where's Daddy going?
He's trying to get the snow off his car. Wow. It's okay, Jax. It's okay. Leave it on there. Brush your hands off. Brush your hands on Mom's pants. He's pulling in the driveway, I think, Allie. Yeah, brush your hands off so they stay warm. Cold. Looky. Here, Jax, you want a bite? I know, the snow just went down the slide. Allie, do you want to buy a snow?
What?
You want a bite?
No, it's cool.
Jaxie just ate a bite. Is that good stuff? Allie, do you want a bite? Do another bite? Oh, is it cold? So Daddy, Jax has his snow boots on. He doesn't care.
Step in the box.
Here, No, don't go in the mulch. No, Alex, no, because that's the spouting. You're going to break the spouting. Don't go in there. Okay? Don't kick it on him. I see.
That was pretty thick.
Jackson, it's okay. Allie, don't kick it on him. Jackson, it's okay, buddy. That's what snow boots are for, so you can get snow on them and you don't have to brush it off. Bite. Mmm. Hey, but don't kick it at your brother, please. Now, Allie, you just kicked it, just went in his face. Don't kick it at him, or I'm going to make you go inside. You kick it away from people. There you go. You want to bite? Jaxie?
Mom, I want my gloves.
Hold on, do you want to bite?
I want my gloves.
Do you want to bite?
I want my gloves.
Here, open your mouth. It's snow, eat it. It's like a snow cone. Me and Jax are eating it. Watch out.
My gloves.
Hold on.
I want my gloves.
Okay, hang on. Here, buddy. Bite.
I want my snow gloves.
I know, but your gloves are gonna, if you play with the snow with your gloves will get wet. You can stay out there, Jax. You wanna come in?
I want my gloves.
Hold on. Throw it the other way so you're not throwing it at him. Jeez. Alex. Throw it the other way. What do you think, buddy? Walking in the snow in your snow boots? And it's warm out. Come up here.
What?
You, come up here.
What?
What do you mean, what? Do you keep throwing snow at your brother?
No.
Yes, you are. Stop throwing it at him. You keep throwing it, it's going right in his face. Please don't throw it at him, okay? Throw it the other way.
Okay.
Careful, Jax. Nope, stay up here. Daddy's getting ready to go. He came over to take us to the doctor's appointment. I said, you're getting ready to go. Daddy took us to the doctor. Now he's got to go to work.
Bye.
Bye, buddy. Bye. You got your arm on.
Oh my goodness, Allie, that's a huge snowball. Buddy, do you want another bite of snow? Here. Jax, do you want a bite? Whoa, whoa, you're right on the step.
I'm a big snowball.
Careful, you're right on the snow, or you're right on the step.
I'm on the playground. Bye.
Jax's arms all better?
Bye. Bye.
Yep, Daddy's going by. He's getting his work clothes on. Watch where you're going, Jax. His arm's all better. The doctor said he should start using it here in the next couple of days. We're supposed to go back in a week, but if he's using it, fine. I'm not going to go. Jackson, stay up out front, buddy. He said if he doesn't start using it in the next couple of days. Daddy's inside getting his work clothes on. If he doesn't start using it in a couple of days, then I need to call him. But they took an x-ray. Everything looks fine. Huh. Jaxie, can you show me your muscles? Whoa, buddy. Show me again. Show me your strong. Whoa. Show me your big muscles, Jax. Jackson, show me your muscles. No? Okay. I know your swing's covered in snow. Hey, leave some of that up here. That's what Jax is eating. You play with the snow in the yard. Yeah, I know. It's covered in snow.
Bite.
Yep. Jax and I are eating some. You want another bite, buddy? Careful, there's the step. You're okay.
Bite. Just you want to bite?
Here, I'll help him. Here, buddy. Oh, you got it yourself? Go ahead. Go ahead, get in there.
Just and piece of snow.
Ellie, honey, stop. He's doing it himself, okay? He says, I don't trust you, sister.
Make a big castle.
Watch where you're throwing it so you don't throw it in his face. Everything's so pretty. I love it.
Oh, it's coming down my back.
Oh, did some go down your back?
That's
Yeah, that's why you be careful where you're throwing it. There. It's just gonna be a little bit cold because someone down there and melted. There.
Daddy.
Daddy's getting changed. He has to put his work clothes on so he can go to work.
There's my step.
Yeah, that's from your, yep, that's your footprint.
Ow.
Jax, I love your boots. Stay out front. Stay out front. Don't go out there. No. Don't go in the mulch because I don't want you guys to trip on the spouting. Uh-oh. Careful. Brush him off. Brush him off. There you go. Brush him off. It's okay. Brush him off. Got it? Careful.
That's the most snow. Ooh.
What, are y'all done? But if you go in, okay, we'll go in when you're all done, okay? Okay, we're home. They just got done playing in the snow, so I just put them in dry clothes. But I was gonna show you my light. So this is, you see how yellow that is? That's how all the bulbs are. And I even buy like I bought the GE Reveal. That's what was in my room there, like the wider light. Do you see how yellow it is in here? Which you see this. Okay, see my room? Ta-da! It's so, look how bright it is. And it's not yellow, so it's the whitest light. Like I said, he said that a 4-pack of these is 20 bucks. So he usually gets them at like Menards when they're on sale for like 11% back or whatever. Oh my gosh, look how bright it is. I love it. Like I just want to live in here now. Look, don't mind my mess on my stand, but look, everything's just so nice and bright. Oh my gosh, you guys. Hey. What's the problem? Hey, Allie. Alexandria. Alex.
Why?
Hey, he can, stop. You can have that. You can play with that. Allie, just remember, he just got his splint off. You have to be nice. Don't knock him down. Hey, listen to me. Look at Mom. I'm talking to you. You can't knock him down or be mean, okay? He just got that thing off his arm. Okay, do you need to go take a nap?
No.
Okay, then stop right now. Got it? Okay. You can't push him or anything. See how nice and light and blue it is in there? I don't know what has gotten into her lately, but, and then look how yellow. So I was looking on Amazon, and they have a 12-pack of these bulbs. They're normally, oh my God, I can't even think. They're normally $50 for a 12-pack. What?
Papa.
What? Did you hit him in the back? If you did, tell him you're sorry. So you did hit him in the back. Yep, I'll get your tent. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Yep, hold on. I will get it. I will get it. Anyway, there's a 12-pack. A 4-pack of those bulbs is 20 bucks even on Amazon. They have a 12-pack that's normally $50. Hey, okay, stop screaming. It's on sale for $32 and some odd cents, but they're not available until May. So I want to order those. Okay, careful. Careful in the circus tent. Okay. Because I think in here, because look, it's yellow lights in here. I think if I put white lights like in a lot of these rooms, oh my gosh, yellow, yellow, yellow. Ugh. Even in here. They're all just so yellow. So if I put those nice white lights everywhere, yeah. I was gonna show you, that's clean dishes. I told them I was gonna make them bacon and eggs. That's clean to put away. The only person that didn't throw away their trash last night. We can dump it. Which is a start, but not really sure why it couldn't go in the trash. Telling ya. I got these drawers. Blue for Adri, clear for me, pink for Allie. They're from QVC. It's 2 pieces, so the top piece can lift off or it can be attached. But they have like all their little makeup stuff. Allie has her lotions and her lip balms and all that crap. We just need to get our stuff ordered. And it comes with these little black little felt pieces. So you can line your drawers if you want. Fancy. Or you can leave them clear. So yeah, Allie has pink, I have clear, and Adri has blue. Like I said, I have a bunch of these little drawers, but mine are all little ones, and they're kind of stacked. They don't like nest. Like this one, like the top piece nests inside there because there's like a little cutout for it. So it rests in there. Yeah, so those just came yesterday, but I need to get them out of here because my kitchen was pretty much clean. These are things that were from, not that, from my keto box. I cannot have like pumpkin seeds. I gave a bunch of stuff that had nuts and seeds to my stepdad. So I'm going to cancel these boxes because for 40 bucks for each box, and stuff, a lot of the stuff I can't eat because I can't have nuts or seeds because of diverticulitis. So that's a waste. So yeah, that stuff, he didn't want that. Which I thought he would want those because they're somewhat spicy, and these are chili pumpkin seeds, but he said no. And this is the, like the healthier Nutella, the pure brand. So it's 19 carbs, but 7 fiber and 7 erythritol. So it's low in carbs, keto friendly. Anyways, I need to put these clean dishes away. There's like crumbs everywhere. I need to put these clean dishes away and make them some bacon and eggs. Oh, that's from changing my light bulb. But yeah, now I'm like on a mission to put those white lights in every room. It's so nice to not have my big, huge, red hot chocolate station. Just have everything nice and... Hi! Nice and open. Other than clean dishes, these are the bulbs I took out of my room. They were the GE Reveal. They were good bulbs, too. I'm just going to put them in there. I don't know. My little tray in here. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Live simply. I wanted a clear plastic little canister like jar with a clear lid, and I wanted lemon heads. And Jay was running to the store because he needed a few things. I'm like, can you stop at Dollar Tree for me? I had him, I sent him with my card and had him get some groceries for me. I told him a clear plastic canister and lemon heads, but this is what I ended up with. A glass with a lid and these lemon candies. So it's not the look I was going for whatsoever. So I want a clear little canister that I can put lemon heads in because lemon heads look like little lemons. And then my vision will be complete over here. If you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. That's what Fred Durst says. I mean, these candies are good, but yeah, that's not the vibe I was going for whatsoever. Alright, let me get them some breakfast made. Alright, it's 9:55. I just made their breakfast. So I've got scrambled eggs with cheddar with 2 pieces of bacon and 1 little triangle of toast for Jax. Got scrambled eggs with cheddar, 3 pieces of bacon, and then the other 2 remaining 2 slices of toast for Allie. Then I have my scrambled eggs with pepper jack, and I have 5 slices of bacon.
And Jazzy has bacon on it.
We have not had bacon and eggs in forever. Forever. It looks so good. Mmm. Alright, let me go give them their breakfast.